Hello everyone and welcome to my spy Snapchat tutorial. So today I'm going to show you how you can spy Snapchat messages. You can spy on the image like the snaps or the text chat. So you will get the latest messages by just typing in the username here you want to spy on and click on the read messages. So just wait for a moment here. When it's finding the messages, just click on the capture button, and now it's ready. It has found 22 messages from the Snapchat. So I will just show you what will happen when I open one. So let's open this one, and you can see my test message from my another phone and from my another user. So that's it, and thanks everyone for watching, and see you on my next video.